I know many of us are really struggling to get the 4,000 watch hour, and it's not easy. Yes, and I know we have tried a lot of things to get it, but we have not still gotten it, and we are tired of getting 0.1 watch hour, 0.2 watch hour, 0.3 watch hour, 0. Something, or YouTube telling YouTube is not recommending your video, change the title, change the, or 2 watch hour maximum. So in this video, I'm teaching you 2 methods of getting your 4,000 watch hour very fast that I tried. This show my watch hour is skyrocketing, so buckle up, relax, and let's start. So number 1, live stream. See, if you want to get your 4,000 watch hour, you have to make use of what they call live stream. Because if you are not doing live stream right now, you are snoozing. You are losing a lot of updates. Yeah, there is no secret method on any video you want to see on YouTube right now, that you want to use on YouTube right now, that you will not make use of this live stream button. So I will tell you, always make use of live. Go live. I know you'll be like, hey, people don't join my live stream. If you try today, try tomorrow, try next tomorrow, one day people will start joining your live stream. And this is not the first time I use live stream. I was basically not having anybody on my live stream. But as time goes on, I started having people that joined, people that joined. You see. So try to be going live. Live stream is one of the safest and fastest and easiest way to get 4,000 watch hour very fast. Yes. So second method, number 2, which is the last one, rewatch your live stream. I know it's kind of complicated, Abby. Why am I talking about live stream? Rewatch your live stream. Let me tell you a secret. There's a secret way I used to get more watch hour than the one that you used to give me. And it's by what? It's by rewatching that live stream. And what is the secret method? You know, everybody goes to bed now. Nobody will know the skill. So when you have to go to bed, you go to your live stream, you play it, then you slow the speed of your live stream down to the slowest, to maybe that's 0.25. Yes, and it will be played automatically. It will play throughout the whole night. It will help you to double your former watch hour. So before you wake up, maybe the live stream is 1 hour live stream or 2 hours live stream. Instead of 2 hours live stream, it's going to play as 4 hours or 5 hours live stream. Yes. So it's going to play for a very long time, and you get what? Double watch hour. So that one is going to play for a long time. So instead of your 1 hour live stream, you get as 2 watch hour live stream, and it will be plenty. So before you wake up, it will play for a long time, you get plenty watch hour. So with these 2 methods, live stream and rewatching your live stream, you will surely get plenty watch hour by God's grace, because I've tried it. I tried a lot in my channel. Yes. These 2 methods, live streaming and rewatching your live stream, you surely get plenty watch hour by God's grace. See, because I do try it. And you know, in my channel, I just come and see what I don't try. I try it a lot. Before I go to bed, I play one of my videos. It plays overnight, even till my phone off. So by the time I wake up, the video will be tied 2 watch hour. So try it. And you can come and give us feedback. And if you have any question, don't forget to do what? To ask it in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, like, and be at this SEO station. If I hope it's going to call, share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. And so what? I hope you find this video helpful. See you in my next video. Hi, I'm Boluvibes. Bye bye.